Hey everyone, today I want to share with you something pretty awesome that's been keeping me warm in my new place. It's all thanks to the magic of wall insulation. So, let me give you a little background. We moved into our new place earlier this year, and I quickly noticed that our bedroom was freezing cold. I didn't have heaters or any other appliances like that to keep the room cozy. But then, one day, I discovered wall insulation at Home Depot and decided to give it a shot. The installation process was surprisingly easy. All I had to do was cut the insulation to fit, drill out the plaster, and stuff in the insulation. And let me tell you, the results were amazing. The room went from being a frozen tundra to a cozy and comfortable space in no time. So there you have it, folks. A quick and easy DIY solution to keep your space warm using wall insulation. Give it a try, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more cool tips and tricks. Stay warm out there.